Hello. We will now go through the technical evaluation feature designed to support project owners in the evaluation of technical tender returns received from contractors, consultants, and vendors. The workflow starts by the project owner uploading the RFP document here. We accept all types of files from Word, PDF, Excel, and file sizes can range to up to 10 to 15 gigabytes. Consequently, we ask you to upload your evaluation criteria. If you do not have an evaluation criteria at hand, the system can recommend or propose a criteria and weightings for your project based on your RFP. If you do have an evaluation criteria, go ahead and upload it here. Here you're able to confirm and validate your evaluation criteria requirements along with the weighting for each individual criteria and click confirm. The system is now structuring your project, ready to ingest technical proposals received from your suppliers. As you receive technical proposals from your suppliers, they do not need to be structured or in a single folder or in a single file type. All of this is done by the system in the backend. All that we ask is that you drag and drop all the files received from your vendor and supplier here and click on Evaluate. At this point, the platform goes through all of the uploaded data and carries out an initial assessment of the technical proposal, aligning it with your RFP requirements, and then uses the evaluation criteria and weighting to provide an initial evaluation score for each of the different suppliers that you have received proposals from. Typically, it takes around 15 minutes per proposal to evaluate, and you're automatically provided with a ranking of who scored the highest technical proposal. As you look down here, you'll see an individual score has been provided for each individual criteria for each contractor or supplier. Importantly, if you expand on each criteria, what you'll be provided with is a clear evidence with a source explaining to you exactly where that information exists within the supplier's information pack, as well as highlighting the specific area that supports the score that's been created for the specific criteria, in this case, project understanding. We've also added the ability to detect how much of the vendor's supplier information is AI generated, along with highlighting exactly where that AI generated content is, giving you peace of mind that the information you're reviewing has been produced by the technical experts at hand. If you agree with the score provided by TruBuild, keep it as it is. If not, you're able to amend the score to what you would like it to be and provide a comment in order to support the audit trail that you can extract at the end of this process. And click on Submit. Below, there is also additional verifications that can be done to support your team in the decision-making process of your vendor selection, going from verifying CVs that have been included in their submissions to verifying the certifications, the different ISOs. We can also provide verifications to their past project history, along with any other pieces of data that may support you in your decision-making in carrying out the tender assessment. We've also integrated a chat feature that allows you to assess and speak direct technical information, allowing you to get exactly the information you need in and out as quick as possible. In this case, if we were to ask which bidder proposed the fastest mobilization and resource deployment plan, what you'd be provided with is a clear analysis of which bidder provided that exact same information with an analysis as well, along with historical data from your past projects. At the end of the evaluation process, you can export your report into Excel or even export it into a technical recommendation report in Word format, ready for your team to edit and submit and close out the process. Here you will also be able to find an audit trail of all the decisions made, allowing you to be able to retract and recreate any tender evaluation process that has happened historically, allowing you to have a clear audit trail of decisions that's been made throughout the process.